हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे माय फर्स्ट डे एट कॉलेज इंग्लिश ऐसे के बारे में। दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ आप जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द रिजल्ट ऑफ मैट्रिकुलेट एग्जामिनेशन। At last the result was declared. I passed the examination with credit. It was decided that I should get admission to Government College Lahore. I waited anxiously for the date of admission. At last it was notified by the college authorities. I promptly filled in the admission form and submitted it to the college office. I was told to appear before the admission committee for an interview. It was a good luck for me that I was declared successful in the interview. It was a summer morning when I went to attend college for the first time. I went to the college in a very happy mood. As I entered the college, I found some students standing near the gate. They smiled at me and I felt that they wanted to talk with me. I also wanted to know where I could see the timetable of the college. I went to those boys and asked them to tell me about the timetable. They told me to go with them to the notice board. I started walking with them. The boys took me to the notice board. I read the timetable of college very carefully. I found that the first period was of English. In the first period, our professor of English welcomed us to the college. He amused us with his funny remarks. We liked him very much. In this cheerful atmosphere, I attended all the classes. तो दोस्तों, ये था माय फर्स्ट डे एट कॉलेज इंग्लिश ऐसे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसे और वीडियोस देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के जरिए शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। थैंक यू।